thing I know is true. I can count on never counting on you. Shame on me for thinking you come through this time. Hold me hostage, hold your keys, then you act like you'll come rescue me. Shame on me for thinking you were on my side. Didn't get trust or honesty or an apology. Honestly, it's alright. Didn't get peace of mind after all the time. All I got was thick skin, heart of stone, you can't break it. Looking back, you were so pathetic. Don't you get it, darling? I'm immune to your poison. I was out of choices. Now that you gave me loving, boy, that's funny. All I got from you was thick skin. Left me broken, stitched and bruised. You couldn't walk a mile in these, fuck you too. So overdue, being over you. I'm underappreciated and overused. You think I roll of a day? I'd rather fall from grace. Couldn't get peace of mind after all the time. All I got was thick skin, heart of stone, you can't break it. Looking back, you were so pathetic. Don't you get it, darling? I'm immune to your poison. I was all out of choices. Now that you gave me loving, boy, that's funny. All I got from you was thick skin. All I got from you, all I got from you was thick skin. All I got from you, all I got from you is thick skin. Nothing you can do. All I got from you is thick skin. Baby, that's the truth. All I got was thick skin, heart of stone, you can't break it. Looking back, you were so pathetic. Don't you get it, darling? I'm immune to your poison. I was out of choices. Now that you gave me loving, boy, that's funny. All I got from you was thick skin.
This dance is called Thick Skin, choreographed by McKeever and Niels Poulsen. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. One tag occurs twice and one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, cross rock, recover, side rock, recover, right foot, sailor step, left foot, quarter turn to your left, sailor heel forward facing 9 o'clock, step down on your left, touch your right, quarter turn right, side point facing 12 and look to the right. Section 2, quarter turn left, forward, half turn left, right foot back, hit your left, half turn left, left foot forward, facing 9, run around, quarter turn to your left, running, right, left, sweep your right, cross, facing 6, 1/8 right, left foot, coaster step, hit your right, make a 1/8 left, cross and press, facing 6 o'clock. Section 3, recover back, sweep your right, right foot back, sweep your left, left foot, behind side, cross, launch to the right, recover, quarter turn left, sweep your right, facing 3, right foot, cross, side 1/8 right, together, facing 4:30. Last section, left foot, vaudeville. Cross, 1/8 left, side, heel to the left diagonal, bow cross, quarter turn right, left foot back, facing 6, right foot, rock back and pop your left knee, recover, full turn to your left, half turn left back, half turn left forward, sweep your right. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the stance, there's a 4-count tag occurs twice. The first time occurs during Wall 2. You will dance 12 counts, then add a 4-count tag, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you Wall 2 with counts, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the end of 12 counts. Now add a 4-count tag, diagonal rocking chair. Left diagonal facing 10:30, right foot. Rock forward, recover back, slide your left heel, recover to your left, flick right foot back. With counts for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then restart the dance, facing 12 o'clock. 1 and 2 and. Now you square up to 12, continue the dance. You will do the tag one more time at the end of Wall 3, facing 6 o'clock. Diagonal rocking chair with step change. 1, 2, 3, on count 4, change the step to 3/8 to your left, hit your right foot, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. 4. Now you're facing 12, restart the dance. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.